Hi YouTube, this video is for anyone with a Wolf drawer microwave that is experiencing keypad buttons that have become difficult to press. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that you can try, and if that doesn't work, ultimately how to replace the entire panel like what I did. Now these buttons should operate with the lightest touch, just like that. So mine got so difficult to the point that I was having to put my body weight into it to get the buttons to work. And eventually I gave up once the start button wasn't working altogether. Now to remove the panel, first thing you need to do is of course pull out the microwave. Now I'm sorry I didn't make this video while I had it out. At the time I was hungry, I just wanted to get it fixed, and the idea of the video came after the fact. So sorry about that. But anyways, there should just be some screws here keeping the microwave in the drawer. So take them out on each side. Pull the microwave out and of course unplug it or turn off the breaker just to be safe. Now to get the panel off, you're gonna need to take these brackets off first on each side. And there should be, I think, 2 or 4 screws on each side. Let's say maybe, 2 here and then 2 here. So pull this off, and then that is the only thing that's really keeping this panel in place. So to take the panel off, it's really as simple as just lifting it up and then giving it a little curl like that. So lift and curl, lift and curl. Now I'll show you my old panel here to kind of give you an idea. You see there's just these hooks here. It's not really focusing, but there you go. It's kind of like that. So there's what? 1, 2, 3. And so again, you just do like the lift and curl, lift and curl. If it's hard, then you're doing something wrong. It should be really easy. Now, in terms of so once you get the panel off, the only thing that is now keeping it to the microwave that you have to remove is this cable here. There'll be a cable here going into the microwave. And to get that out, the connector is gonna look just like this. There's just like a little latch there that you press, and then it'll come out like that. So then once that's out, here's the first quick fix that you can try. And what'll happen is you'll see here the connectors here and here for the actual touch pads themselves. There's no latch there, so it's really easy for it to just come out, So you imagine over the years of using this, it just wiggles loose. So just check that yours are still in place, give it a press, maybe pull it out and blow on it like a Nintendo cartridge. And then put it back together, see if that works. If that doesn't work, if you want to try to fix it more, you can see that there's kind of like a black epoxy or passivation or something there, which is like bonding, if you will, the touchpad to the control panel itself. Now I tried it, but it was being more difficult than what I thought is worth it. But I removed all of the screws here. I think these are like a T6 or T8 Torx. And then you can try to heat it and then maybe try to separate the panel from the touchpad. So I tried that, but it wasn't working out. And like I said, it proved to be more difficult than to just replace the whole thing. So that's what I decided to do once, just fixing this guy wasn't proving to do anything. So anyways, when you buy this new panel, you're gonna get it just like this. And the only thing that you need to do is as simple as just plug it in here, and then it should work. Now when you buy it, you will see that there'll be like a piece of tape covering this spring. You're gonna want to remove that because this spring is used to electrically connect the stainless steel as ground. So remove that, plug in here, and then it's the reverse as the disassembly to reassemble it. Now the part number for this guy, mine was the 828280. And the thing is, Wolf has 3 different part numbers depending on what your serial number is. So to find your serial number, it's just in that little sticker here that's on the inside. So, open it, check the serial number, and in the description, I'll give you the decode of what part number you need to get depending on the serial number of your particular microwave. Now, one question you may have are the part numbers interchangeable. I don't know. I don't work at Wolf. I don't know anything. You know, my suggestion is just get the right one. Now, Wolf, I don't believe they sell replacement parts to consumers directly. So I had to get mine on eBay. So just double check. I'm sure somebody there has it. I think it was around 200 bucks. So yeah, so then you'll get the part. It'll come like this. Take off the tape for the grounding spring, and then you just put it back there. Click, and then the reverse. Make sure that these go into the hooks, and then you put well, I guess at that point try it. But then once you find out that it works, then you'll just put the brackets back, and then the whole thing, and then you're back in business. I'm not sure if I missed anything, but yeah, give that a try. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments and I'll try to answer it. And hopefully you have a working microwave and you can make yourself some warm food. Thanks, bye.